Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In series of credit card, today we'll see the key players in merchant credit card transaction. So let's start. First one is a card holder. So card holder is authorized to use it for the transaction. The card holder is responsible for using the cards within the set limit and requiring repaying and borrow amount according to the credit card agreement. Next one is a merchant. So merchant in a credit card we refers to the business or individual that accepts credit card payments in exchange for goods or services. So merchant can be a retail store, online business or service provider. Next we having acquiring bank. So merchants needs an account with an acquiring bank to accept the card payments. When a customer pays with the credit card, the acquiring bank sends transaction request to the issuing bank for the approval. Once the transaction is approved, acquiring bank ensures the merchant gets paid, and this usually within few business days. If a customer disputes, then acquiring bank manages the process with the merchant. Next is a issuing a bank. So when a card holder make a purchase, then issuing bank verifies if the transaction can be approved based on the available credit and a fraud check. Also, issuing bank sends monthly statement and collects payment from the cardholders. Next, we last entities payment procedure. So it is facilitate the communications between bank, that is acquiring bank and the issuing bank. Now, what is the credit limit in a credit card? So, credit limit is a maximum amount of money a cardholder can borrow on their credit card, and it is set by issuing bank based on the factors like income, credit score, and the repayment history. Now, question arise: how credit card limit works? Now let's understand. When you use your credit card for purchase, then available credit will decrease. Same when you make payment towards your outstanding balance, the available credit will increase. Now what happen? Will you will exceeding the credit limit? Then in this case, your transaction either decline or will you will charge over limit fee, and it is totally depends on your issuing bank policy. Now, what is a bill date? So, bill date is also known as a statement date, is the date on which your credit card issuer generates your monthly credit card statement. So it makes the end of billing cycle and includes details of the transactions, fees, interest, and payments made during that cycle. Now, what is minimum amount due? So it is the smallest payment you must make by the due date to keep your credit card account in good standing and avoid any late fees. Now, last entity is a grace period. So, it is a time between the credit card statement generation date and the payment due date, during which you can pay your outstanding balance. Now, we'll understand more about the billing cycle. So, every credit card comes with the billing date assigned by the issuing when card is issued. This billing date determines the period for which transactions are recorded in the statement. Let's understand with one example. Suppose the billing cycle runs from 1st September to the 30th September. Okay, then the bill generation date will be 19th September. Let's consider. So any transaction made from the 1st September till 19th September will be included in the 19th September. So let's suppose that you made a more transactions, like you made a purchase on 2nd September. Even though if you made transaction on 17 or 18, all these transactions made on 1st, 2nd, 17, 18 will be considered in a 19th September, and any purchase made after the 19th will be included in the next billing cycle, that is on October 19th statement. Those transactions will be considered which done after the 19th September. Now, here question arise, when grace period for 18 to 20 days, and it is depends, it may varies banks to bank. So the payment must be made before the due date to avoid the interest or the penalties. So here in this, if your statement is generated on 19th September, then customer needs to make a payment on a 9th October. So that will be a due date for this statement. So customer has to make a payment before due date, that is before the 9th October. So hope you guys understand what is the billing date and how it works.